All right, let me spin the wheel here and see what we come up with. Okay, here is question number 14. It is a geometric sequence, and they want to know what's the common ratio. Now, this one is one of those where I would prefer that students use the spreadsheet for this. They didn't give us consecutive terms. If they had given us the third and the fourth term, that would be easy to figure out. If they had given us the fourth or the fifth term, that would be easy to figure out. But when there is a gap between the terms, it's much easier to use the spreadsheet. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this X, I'm going to make this Y. The third term is 25. The fifth term is 625. And then I'm just going to go to the spreadsheet and use that. So let me go. I'm going to do 4, 1, 4. And at the top, I'm going to put X. I'm going to put Y. I'm going to put the third term is 25. And the fifth term is 625. Boom, got that information. Then I'm just going to go to the data and statistics tab. Down here, I'm going to put X. Should move. Here's the Y. And then I know it is a geometric sequence, so that's the same thing as an exponential function. So I'm going to do menu 4, 6, 8 for exponential. And here is my equation, and the number inside of here is the common ratio. This is the growth factor. The common ratio is the growth factor. So all I'm going to do is go back here, and I know that the common ratio is 5. That's it. I'm leaving that alone. I'm moving on to the next question. Now, if they had given us the third term is 25 and the fourth term was 125, then I would say just divide, because you could find that out. But when they don't give you consecutive terms, I think it's easier to use the spreadsheet, whether this is an arithmetic sequence or a geometric sequence. If they don't give you consecutive terms, then use the spreadsheet. All you need are 2 terms now. So that's it. Again, that's the recommendation, spreadsheet. Whenever they give you 2 points, spreadsheet. All right, let me go, let me stop and post.